Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Master Mathematics by Shaiji Mohandas. Today we are discussing about the topic Class 11 Chapter 2 Relations and Function. Last class we discussed about exercise 2.1 is completed. This is the second topic of the chapter 2, that is relations. First topic is the Cartesian product. If any two non-empty sets A and B, the Cartesian product is A cross B. Write in the ordered pairs X, Y elements. X is the elements of A and Y is the element of B. That is the Cartesian product. Based on the Cartesian product, what is a relation? Before going to start, in case if you are new in my channel, means first of all you like my video, you have to subscribe my channel right now and hit the bell icon on the right side, then only you will get more notification from my channel. So first of all you have to watch the entire video, okay? If you have any doubts or suggestion, freely ask to me and you have to write below the comment box. Let us moving on to the topic relation. In the relation, here I given two sets, two non-empty sets. A is a set ABC and B is a set Raju, Radha, Kumar. So let us see here. A has how many elements? That is number of A equal to 3 and number of B, number of elements of B equal to 3. That means if number of elements of A equal to P and number of elements of B equal to Q, then what is the number of elements of the Cartesian product? P cross Q, P into Q. We already discussed in the last class. That means here, what is an N of A cross P? How many elements have? That is 3 into 3, which is nothing but 9. Okay. So in A set 3 elements, B set 3 elements. Then number of elements of the Cartesian product, 9 elements have. From the Cartesian product 9 elements, I will take one of the subset from A cross B. So in A cross B, how many elements have? 9 elements. From that, I will take one subset. So from A cross B, I will write the one subset A Raju and B Radha and C Kumar. This is a one subset. So this subset called it as a relation R. Relation R. Relation of A cross B. Okay, so R is equal to this. In this relation can be represented in the visual diagram. That is the arrow diagram. This is the relation. This subset is called it as a relation. That is a relation between first element to the second element, A to B. This is a relation between A to B. Okay, that is called as a relation R. Relation is denoted by R. And it can be represented in the visual diagram means this is A and this is B set. In the arrow diagram A, B. Then here the elements A, B, C. Then Raju, Radha, then Kumar. These are the 3 elements. Here the relation is A to Raju. That means the relation makes the arrow A to Raju and B to Radha and C to Kumar. This is the relation. This is called the relation R. Okay. This relation can be represented in the arrow diagram. Visual representation. So in this A elements, how many elements? 3 elements. And B set has how many elements? 3 elements. This is a relation, that is A to Raju and B to Radha and C to Kumar. This is a relation. Here I took one of the subset makes a relation, that is R. R means in the A is called this, all elements of A is called it as a domain of the relation. What is called this? This is the A elements are called domain of relation. This is the domain of relation. And B, this B is called the range of relation. Range of relation. So set A is called it as a domain of the relation and B is called it as a range of relation. From the subset, this Raju is the image of the first element. So this is called the image of the first element. So this called it as A, B as the image of domain. Image of domain or first element. Okay. Set of A elements. So B is called it as a range of the relation, or it is called it as a image of the first element. The first element A to Raju. So the Radha is the image of B and Kumar is the image of C. So the first elements of set A is called domain of the relation, and the set B elements is called as a range of the relation, or we can call it as a image of the domain of the first element. Otherwise, codomain. This B is also called it as a codomain. So in the B elements called it as three names. First, B elements called it as a range of relation and the image of the domain or image of the first element, and third one is codomain of the first element. Codomain of the first element. These are the three names. So in the subset can be represented in the relation, that is the visual representation of an arrow diagram. On that, A is called domain, B elements is called the range. In the B element, called it as a codomain or the image of the first element, or the relation between the relation of the range of relation. Okay. So in this relation can be represented by, in the relation can be represented through the roster form or set builder form. Set builder form. So this is the roster form. What is the set builder form? Set builder form relation R equal to R A cross B equal to the set X Y such that X is an element of A and B is an element of B, such that means B is the image of A. B is the image of A, or B is the codomain of A. Anyway, we can write it as three names based on the domain. So the first element is called it as a domain and the second element is called it as a range. Otherwise, the second element is called it as an image of the first element or codomain of the first element or range of the relation. Anyway, this is called it as a range. It is denoted by R. It can be represented in the roster form or a set builder form. So I hope you all understood about the relation. What is meant by relation? Relation means it is any subset including the Cartesian product. That is a relation between A to B. That is denoted by R. Here I took one relation. A Raju, B Radha and C Kumar is a subset of the A cross B. On that, the set of A elements is called the domain and set of all elements of B is called the range. Then, in this relation, Raju is the image of A, Radha is the image of B and Kumar is the image of C. Otherwise, it is called it as a codomain or it is the image of a domain or range of relation. This is called the relation. It can be represented in roster form and also set builder form. Okay. I hope you all understood these about relation. Next class we will discuss about based on the exercise 2.2. Okay. If you have any doubts or suggestion, means you have to free to ask to me. I will clear you. Okay. In case if you are new in my channel, means first of all you have to like my video and do share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, that means please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon on the right side, then only which will notify whenever I post new videos. That will help you to achieve 90 plus in your board examination. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Till then, bye.